Welcome to a itsy bitsy episode of My Legacy Garage. Just a little something that I found out I could do relatively easily that I'm hoping will help some other people too.
What we've got here is a 97 TJ with the Angry Bird grill insert. And it doesn't necessarily have to be this insert that you have trouble with, but any of them really, that block off your access to be able to reach in here and open your hood latch. I looked all over YouTube and the internet in general, and it didn't know how to fix it. The only thing I could come up with was, everybody was saying, well, you just cut a hole in there so you can stick your fingers up in there and actuate the hood latch here. And I was like, well, I don't want to cut a hole in it. So let me show you what I did. That right there is the bottom of the hook assembly. That's what you usually use your fingers, and you push on it to the left here to open it. And I've put a piece of cable through the spring hole there and then just clamped it so it can't pull back through. And then over here, I've actually put a pulley in and clamped a piece of cable in there, which actually goes up through the top of the core support. And the cable runs down through the bottom of the core support. This is the cable on top of the core support. Now, you don't necessarily have to cable it in like this. This is just what I had laying here, so this is what I used. You could actually probably drill some holes in here and mount a pulley on there a lot nicer than that, but this works. And the cable hangs down here underneath. I haven't decided for sure what I'm going to do with it yet. I'm probably going to make some sort of a little hanger on the side of the frame just to keep it up so it's not flapping around in the wind when you're just driving around, and then you can pull it out when you need to. But it really does work. Check it out. Here you can see everything inside of the grill there, and we're going to get our cable down here and over it goes. Really simple, easy, quick solution, and you don't have to cut up your new grill insert. Hope somebody finds it helpful. Thanks for watching this micro episode of My Legacy Garage. If you liked it, hit the like button, and if you want to see other projects that we're doing, the whole thing, not just that one little part, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Doesn't cost you anything, but sure helps us out, and we appreciate it. Have a good one.